What's up everyone, we're the Debelia brothers. I'm Dan.
I'm Zach.
And I'm Toby.
We got a new video, the handcuff challenge. We are already handcuffed because this is part 2.
If you haven't seen part 1, look in our channel.
Yeah,
subscribe.
Look in our channel.
And subscribe to my other channel, Dan Clits, but with Z on Clits, not an S.
Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Zachy Okay, so yeah.
We've got some people with us today.
We have so we just at a place called Crabtree.
In part 1 we recorded half of it. We're going to do the other half on the way back now.
Yeah, so we're going to walk back, but this time we're not actually walking through the woods. We're walking through like the paths and the fields and stuff. Part 1 is mainly the woods, so yeah, take a look at that.
Probably part 1's the best.
Okay, there's Toby, guys.
And Zach's probably got still sore hands from the last.
If you saw the last video, you would have seen that I had quite sore hands.
Because Toby kept pulling.
Yeah, he
really
kept pulling them.
Toby kept like this. And I scraped my leg.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Show that.
I don't know. If
Dan scraped his leg because we were like climbing a.
I don't know if they could see.
Like climbing a log thing, because it's like challenge video sort of thing. So yeah. Also, guys, don't forget to leave a like because we've been going through a lot of hassles for this video. So,
should we walk on
that handcuffed.
Should we walk on the gravel path instead?
No, we're going to walk through there, I think. There's Toby, guys.
And in a bit, we'll be doing another video, a short video, like of us getting our new tripod, a stand.
Oh, yeah.
Camera.
So, basically, straight after this, we're going to go back to... So, basically, we're walking to the car now. That's what we're filming. And then we're going to... we're not going to film driving there.
We've got a camera.
And it'd be a bit awkward handcuffed in the car. So, we're not going to film that. We're not going to be handcuffed in the car. And
just for the
seat
belts and stuff. And we've already got a camera. We're just going to get a tripod.
We've got to get a tripod
because at the moment, we're using my phone.
Yeah.
And then we want to use a camera because it'll be so much better.
We're going to use a proper camera, guys, so we're going to get a tripod for it.
Look at that blackbird, he just took over the...
Basically, we're going to film a little clip about us getting the tripod.
In Curry's.
So, yeah, in Curry's, PC World. So, yeah. Also, guys, if you don't know, we're joined here with our friends Adam and Jack. And
they're behind us right now.
They're behind us right now. I don't know if you can see them, but... somewhere back there. I think you saw him.
Hopefully.
Sorry if you didn't.
We will be looking back on our videos to see what's happened.
Yeah, edit it, all that sort of stuff.
Even the really long ones. It was.
Sorry if never have I ever video that we filmed previously yesterday didn't really get edited. Dan will explain why.
So basically, our videos are not editing because we're doing it on this app. But when we post. It's actually edited on the video. As soon as we post it on YouTube, there's no edits on it.
Yeah.
It's really weird.
So we're gonna film on a proper camera, use a proper tripod, and we're just gonna edit it on my computer.
On his computer.
Yeah.
And actually try. It should be better.
So I've got itchy head.
So we're gonna do it your channel next time, hopefully.
Okay.
Your YouTube channel. Thank you so much if you watched our part 1 all the way through.
Yeah, because it was quite long, so thank you for being patient and all that sort of stuff. Thank you.
If you watched that, you're a real fan. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Subscribe to this channel. It'll mean so much to us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is perfect for a whip.
Are we going the right way? Because guys, look what's up ahead. We've got like this really...
That'll do. That's will be alright. It comes back out wide again.
Alright, just go side by side actually. Toby, go first.
Okay. Different plans.
It is quite narrow, so we're going to have to do it like this.
Here.
So, like, this is what...
Be like a crab.
This is the situation we're in right now. Let's go.
Wait, but yeah, there's stinging nettles and everything, and thorns.
And brambles and...
Brambles.
Nettles.
I'm sorry, Daniel. You haven't got any trousers.
Oh yeah, Dan's wearing shorts today. Me and Toby, we are wearing trousers.
The reason I'm wearing shorts is because
Oh yeah, there's a massive field.
have really bad scabs on my legs.
I can't even see the end of the field, it's that big.
I had bad scabs on my legs and it hurts. Like if I put pressure on it, I'm having... Why is it... It looks really foggy out there.
guys, look at this.
It looks foggy out
Unless it's just this downhill.
Wow.
there. I'm a bad.
So basically, right now we're in a field.
How do
And
they grow all this grass?
apparently, there's
Can I do
some
my lace?
ponies
Can I
here.
do my lace again? It's
Dan needs to do the shoelace, so I'm gonna have to
Go down.
come down
Me too.
and help him with
I
that.
need to start it again because it's gone to the side and I just nearly tripped over it a second ago.
So hold it.
That's fine. You can hold it if you want. Toby's gonna hold the camera. Dan's doing his shoelace
I just have to record me doing my shoelace.
because I have to like get down with you, and it's quite a bad situation.
Sorry guys, you can't see the shoelaces. I'm putting them away,
There we go.
but should be able to
Right,
see.
so now we're gonna get back up. Dan, you done it? Yep.
Right.
Okay, we're back up.
Oh my legs are tired.
Right.
now. Oh,
See, that's what you call teamwork.
Teamwork!
teamwork makes.
Oh, also, guys, there's Adam.
Oh, hello.
There's Adam. Jack's somewhere behind.
Yeah, they're not. I think they went round there instead of coming through there. So.
Yeah, 'cause it's too narrow, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Right, guys, we're gonna go onto this path now. So, yeah, let's do it.
Oh,
Let's get onto this
really
path.
hurts, so I've scraped it on a log.
Yeah, Daniel scraped his leg on a log.
You did see in the last video.
Yeah.
It was near the end.
I think I got that on camera. I'm not sure. I don't know who was filming. Yeah,
Yeah,
think
you
I-
did. You did put the scrape on camera. I remember.
didn't I?
Yeah, we're gonna finish this video when we get to the car. And
Yeah.
hopefully record the clip when we go to Curry's PC World.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Daniel
Please,
said.
guys, don't forget to leave a like. So yeah,
And subscribe.
and subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on a new video.
You said that a million times by now. So
Yeah.
much time you said that.
We need them. We need
that many times you
subscribers,
said it.
please.
We
Yeah.
really need
Subscribe.
subscribers. We have just started this channel.
We started recording.
Yeah,
This channel's been out for years, but we've just started recording.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's correct.
Yeah.
Because I don't really want you to watch it, but
Oh, we can go back in the
at the
woods.
bottom of the channel there's this video called Black Day Boy Band.
It was since 2014, and now it's
4 years.
2019.
4 years ago, basically. Yeah, well, it says 4 years ago on the bottom.
Nearly 2020 actually.
It's like 5.
Is it 5?
5.
Oh, okay, 5 years ago, sorry. I was 9 years old and now I'm 13. So,
And you're
where
new.
the hell are they? I think we're walking a bit fast. I'm going to have a break. Look,
Do you want to sit down?
waiting for them to come.
Sit down.
I'm not going to sit down.
I want to sit down.
It's because you guys went down, and I was still up
I can
there.
see them now.
And then you started moving, and then I was
Oh,
still
my
up there, and you,
Stupid wind. Okay.
yeah,
Oh,
it's, really,
look.
it's really windy today.
Blackberries. Get a blackberry.
And I think it's
No.
about to rain with those
Oh
clouds.
no, it can't rain. Please, not rain. No, no rain.
Oh no, the handcuffs are going to get rusty.
No, they won't. These handcuffs
But-
are quite small. I don't think they're meant for this. Well, they're obviously not meant for this.
They're
But, you know.
basically...
I think
Oh
they
my
are. I
God.
think they're things what everyone else uses. You know, the
No.
big YouTubers.
No, because normally YouTubers, they have the spiky bit up the top there.
I'll be alright.
Instead of a... Just a
Oh, guys, I can see town up ahead.
Oh yeah.
If you saw in our last video, part 1, sorry, you would have seen us on the zip wire and we're at this little park. We're on our way to that park now. And then, yeah.
And I just got another stick.
And we're going to also film all the way to the car as well. There's like a bit of woods right there, and then there's like a bit of, what's
Hey!
it? There's an underpass.
Hey!
We're-
Mikey!
So we're going to walk there.
Adam is there.
Okay. I don't know if you can see, Toby, guys, lift your arms up. I don't know if you can see, but they're walking behind over there. Dan, do you want to hold the camera for a bit?
Bear. There's blackberries there. Can I go? Wait, but I don't really want to.
Dan's going
Fine. Fine.
actually, do you want to get some blackberries?
I want to get a blackberry.
Dan's going to get some blackberries. Dan's getting...
bed where both dogs with a weed on them, so come in a bit.
Yeah, we're coming in. Dan's getting blackberries because he obviously feeling hungry.
Can I have a blackberry as well, please?
Toby wants one. Pick one for Toby.
I'll pick some.
Guys, I think you could. I hope you can see, but there's loads of blackberries over there.
Can you put your helmet out of it?
Yeah, I'm trying. Ah,
I'm gonna come in.
no, just be careful. I'm trying to make it so YouTube can see as well. Toby, where are you going?
Yeah, blackberry.
Ow!
I'll get you one.
Okay, guys, this is quite awkward.
Hey!
We've already been filming for what, 10 minutes?
Disgusting.
Right, let's get out.
I've got one. No more. I'm hungry.
I'll just get one. What are you spitting out?
Still something on that.
Ugh, that's disgusting. Like, they're not even washed. Comment down below if you do this. Because I ain't eating any. Jesus.
Oh, I'm done.
Toby, are you done? Toby's not done. Okay, let's get out. Oh, come on, Toby. Whoa, I'm falling. I'm on one leg. We really can't make these handcuffs. Great. Okay.
Okay, I got okay.
Ouch. Right, let's get out of
It looks
there.
like we're sitting down on the bench now.
Well, that one was really good. That blackberry.
Good. I like the sweet
I like that
ones.
one.
Look at this one.
You can have that.
Toby's got his blackberry.
What is that?
That's a bit of a blackberry.
I killed somebody. Blackberries. Yes, like a blackberry.
Here's Adam.
Whoa, I didn't feel bad.
Whoa.
That's something else.
Okay, I think we're stopping here for a snack at a bench. So yeah, oh my god.
I'm hungry.
Was it lunch?
Now we gotta eat together.
We gotta eat together.
Teamwork eating.
New York stick.
Okay.
Right. Oh, this is a bit wet.
Oh god. This is the bench.
Oh yeah, you're sitting on a bench.
Sitting on a bench. Here we go. Right.
Me and her.
There's our mum behind. Oh yep. I'll have one of them. Little chicken.
Oh, sausage
Nice.
rolls.
That's nice. There's Toby. Oh, sausage rolls. There's Dan.
You have to bring your arm closer.
Oh, sorry.
Take your phone. In my way.
Wait, Dan, what does this button do? In the corner.
Probably takes the photo
Right, cool.
whilst we're recording.
No, I don't want any of them. Please. Thanks.
Can I have some?
Something else.
What sausage?
Me, please. I'm hungry.
You said
Can I have a sausage, please? I like sausages.
You said you didn't want any.
Right.
You haven't had anything to eat yet.
Got an itchy nose. There's Dan, guys. Oh, yeah. Okay. I got a pack of mini cheddars. Here, guys, we got some mini cheddars.
Not me.
Dan got what are they?
Skips.
Skips. There's Adam. Right. I'm gonna put this. Wait, hold that a sec. I'm gonna put the camera on a stand. Oh god. Okay, I think it's works.
What the hell is that?
There we go.
What do you think that is?
I don't know.
Blackberry.
Probably. There's Dan, guys. Open these mini cheddars and eat. Just got another mini cheddar.
Why are you showing?
There's Dan, guys.
The best thing about skips is that they stick to your tongue. Ready?
Whoa.
Nobody wants to. Oh, I know what you're trying to do. The cloud thing, right? Okay. It makes it like a cloud.
No, that's
well.
a different thing. Yay, it's gonna work. It's done.
Whoa. That was close.
That?
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
like a gun.
right, move the handcuff.
Stop.
I want to eat a bit now.
This is easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
Eating.
Oh. Can't believe we're doing this, guys.
I think that that's my idea. And I'll do this for you.
Oh yeah. Guys, thanks to Toby. It was Toby's video idea.
Yeah, it's my idea. I didn't think it would go this well though.
Yeah, that one.
This is a challenge. I don't think you can do it though. Lick it so you can get the key and done. It's a challenge. There's the key. Where the key hole is. Don't think you can, but so we have the woods right there. That's what we were in the part one. In part one. We were in there.
Yep. That is the woods from part one.
That.
Oh, nothing. Wait. There's Adam behind.
Oh, I'm gonna flip the lid up. He's doing the science thing when you squeeze the bottle and it pops and the lid goes flying. And he nearly hit me. It's a bit wet there.
It is, isn't it?
And it's all the food.
Right.
And it's all the
There's
food.
Dan.
Is this all the food? Is this all the getting?
Don't get
Oh,
sandwiches.
Lord. Sorry about that, guys.
What happened?
Covered the lens.
Oh. That's why we need a new camera.
Yeah, we do need a new camera. We've got the camera, but gonna get a tripod.
Hey Jack, can you stand behind the boys of Adam for a minute so I can take a photograph of them?
Okay. We're gonna take a photograph with all of us. Well, our parents are gonna take a photograph.
Not behind Zach's head instead. That's it, in between their heads. In a bit, Topes.
Wait, Toby, in a bit.
It's your brother, you love him.
Taking a photo of us. Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm trying to do the one thing.
The lady's
Done.
piece of the dog. Done. Mommy. Oh,
Wait, is there a bin? Oh, okay, there's a bin over there.
can we go to the bin?
Yeah, we gotta take the rubbish to the bin. Okay. I dropped the camera.
No.
Sorry about that, guys.
Sorry. Zach dropped my phone.
Yeah, I did.
He dropped my phone.
I'm very sorry.
Sorry to them and sorry to me.
Yeah, I'm very sorry. Right. Okay. We're going to the bin now. Okay, you're pulling so much.
Who is?
Both of you.
What? I'm behind you.
Ow, look at that.
Wait, put it down a bit.
That's what you
You have
just did.
so much more. I'm gonna try and undo it.
Here's Toby.
What
are you doing?
I'm gonna try and undo the handcuffs.
Why
Why?
not undoing
Why?
the handcuffs?
Why do you want to undo the handcuffs?
You failed the challenge, Toby. You can't fail. Guys, we won't let him do it.
I think Toby's scared.
I licked his stick and he didn't realise.
Right, I want a drink now. Did you bring my drink for me? I would like a drink.
Right, the drinks are here.
Oh, yep.
Have some more food.
No, we haven't got any more food.
I need my drink.
Okay, I've got my drink now. You're gonna have to help.
Are you still unable to bend over?
Dan, lift your arm up.
With my hip.
Dan, lift your arm up.
Alright, carry on, Jack.
Back. Watch out.
Okay. Jeez, I enjoyed that drink. Yeah, I really enjoyed that as well. Okay.
3 o'clock is the
Should we try and stand on the table?
Okay, I think we're gonna walk back to the car soon.
Stand on the table.
No, okay. Should we stand on the table? I don't know if
Yeah,
we're
and then
allowed.
say, and
That's
then
a bit-
shout, subscribe to the media.
Ow. Oh, no, should we say it?
Yeah, say it.
Okay, we're gonna shout.
Subscribe.
We're gonna shout, okay?
Standing on a
We're gonna
table.
shout, soldier is.
We're on a table.
Ready?
3,
3,
2,
1.
1. Subscribe to the Media Brothers!
Jump.
I don't know if that was loud enough, but okay.
Jump. Oh.
Out, careful, Toby. Handcuffs, careful.
Oh, yeah,
Don't want them to come off. We cannot have them come off, Toby. So, yeah. We really can't fail this challenge. Handcuffs.
Whoa, it's already been 21 minutes, nearly 22 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Pin. I'm a bit.
Right, I loosened the handcuffs because they were quite tight.
What? Don't. I'm being. He's aiming his stick at me. He was aiming his stick at me. Okay. What?
Yeah, we both got the same phone. Guys, look.
This is Zach's. Zach's got the same phone.
I've got the same phone.
We both got the same.
Although mine's space grey. Mine's space grey, but his is white. Right, so fast camera.
Yep.
Right, so we're gonna carry on walking now. We're gonna walk back to the car. Handcuffed, of course.
I hate this because I have to
Still handcuffed. Here's Toby. Toby's here, guys. Still handcuffed.
But the gap between part 1 and part 2, we were still on our handcuffs.
Yep.
We were
Guys,
still in.
because there's 3 of us, we had to get 2 pairs of handcuffs. Otherwise, it wouldn't work with 1 pair.
Yeah.
Obviously.
And it costed £2.
These are Toby's handcuffs when he plays policemen's and that sort of games.
Yeah. He used to play these like games when he was little.
When he still does it now with
Does
his,
he?
when his friends come
Hardly.
over.
Oh yeah, when his friends come over, then he might play.
Yeah.
I might.
Yeah.
Sit
Okay.
down on the bench.
I think this video's
Ow!
gone quite well.
That
We're
hurts,
really going
stop.
back to where we were.
Get that one, that's better.
Right.
We're nearly at the zip
We're gonna
line.
go ahead.
We're nearly at the zip line from
Yeah.
before.
If you saw it in part 1 video, then you would have seen the zip line.
We went on the zip line. We're nearly at that part again.
We're gonna go around. It's quite windy as well, guys. My hair's blown. Sorry about that.
It looks like to a stick man.
Stick man. Do you hear what you just said?
What?
It said stick man. Who?
Them two.
Adam and Jack.
They're both stick men.
Why?
Look, they both got sticks now.
Toby called them stick men. Okay.
Oh, stick man! Beware of the
Dog.
Okay, what are you talking about?
In the
it's
film it says, oh stick man,
What
oh
film?
There's
stick
this
man.
film.
Be careful of
Dan
the
knows
dog.
How do you
everything.
not know this?
Dan knows.
I do.
What? What's the film called?
You used to watch it. Stick man.
The film's called Stick Man. Stick Man. Oh, Stick Man.
Wait, there's a
Beware
film.
of the
Zach, you have to
Dog.
remember that. Come on. You
No,
have
I
to.
don't remember it.
All my
What?
school friends always watch it all the time at school.
Did we watch
Really?
it at the cinema?
Still?
Yeah.
Did we watch it at the
No.
cinema?
No.
No. It's like the Gruffalo.
How old were we?
4.
Wait, is it a childish?
Yeah, it's like childish.
Oh. I
So
don't
we
know.
watched it when we were like a bit young.
Oh, Stick Man.
I don't remember
Oh,
it.
A few years ago.
Also, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I've been talking quite funny because I have an ulcer. I don't know if you can see, but it really hurts.
He had that since we started
Pretty big one.
recording, so
Yeah.
you probably
I'm not-
you don't know his real voice.
Yeah. This is sort of my real voice, but I'm in a lot of pain. So,
And I'm in a lot of pain.
I'm in a lot of pain with these stupid handcuffs. But I'm only doing it for YouTube, so.
And that's you guys.
Oh yeah, I've hurt my chest so much times in today because of these handcuffs, and I have to do so much challenges, and it's.
Yeah, Daniel even scratched his leg.
Yeah, I scraped my leg earlier in part 1. I think I said that.
You're
You
alright.
always got to be tough for YouTube.
But the worst thing is that I pulled my muscle in my chest somewhere.
I think I've got bits.
So it really hurts.
Yeah.
But I took some medicine earlier, so I took some liquid earlier. So I'm feeling a bit better now.
Oh no, there's a big roundabout.
Okay, guys, make sure you check out our other videos, Never Have I Ever and part 1 of this video.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe.
And check out my other channel, Dan Clips, with a Z instead of an S on Clips.
Yeah, and please follow me on Instagram, Zachy Dro, with a K.
Just remind us.
Z-A-K-E-R. Wait, no.
At
Yeah.
the moment, I've got more
Bro.
subscribers on
Bro,
my
you
channel
know.
than we do on this, but we need to try and make them equal.
Yep. So follow me on Instagram.
And also subscribe
Hey,
to
you
that.
can't
I'm going to
do
carry
that.
on getting the subscribers up because we want to become good subscribers. And please, it would mean so much to us as well. So please.
We should set up like a challenge of another YouTuber.
We're nearly at the car now. We just got to walk down this. Actually, let me show you.
Walk down this hill. I think we're showing the grounds, but yeah. Oh, sorry. I don't know. Yeah, well, that's the whole place.
Wait, am I showing?
I think I'm showing that to you. And the park's over there. There's a park over there. That's the zip line we're talking about.
We filmed there.
And there's
Oh no, I can't.
There's the road M3 over there as well. The roundabout.
town centre over there.
The town centre's behind it as well. Okay.
Yeah, I can't.
Toby, please stop pulling.
My glasses are so dirty.
Toby's walking so
Ow.
fast and he's literally pulling the handcuffs and it really hurts.
Toby, no rush. Everyone else is far behind us.
Yeah, Toby, stop rushing. Jeez. Ow,
Yeah.
Toby.
Why are you picking up stones?
Toby's picking up stones. I have no idea why.
Toby likes stones and sticks. Well, Adam likes sticks.
Adam likes sticks, yeah.
He's stick
There's
man.
Adam.
Oh wait, no, he's not stick man anymore. Catch a stone. Catch another one. Catch another one. Catch another one.
Oh, and also, guys, there's Jack behind us.
Hi.
There.
Woo! Ah!
Catch another one. Do you want to do one more? Do you want to do one more challenge?
What is it? Oh, I know. We have
Tyre.
to get on that tyre.
So
So
do you like
I don't know
this
if you can. I don't know if you
You can see this, guys. Let's go closer up. If we go closer up, they'll probably see.
Yeah.
Like, you know that
Well,
swing,
that- well,
the tyre
this
swing.
one.
Yeah.
You get in the tyre.
Yeah, you know,
and
like there's a
swing,
tyre
right?
swing.
Yeah, you know.
Basically, we're all gonna get on it. How are we gonna film that?
Wait, could one of us
How the hell?
push? Wait, it'll be more of a challenge if one of us push and two of us are on.
All right, we'll do that.
I'll push.
Dan's gonna push. That means
Because
you.
I
Can you hold the camera? Dan's gonna hold the camera whilst pushing, and me and Toby are gonna be on the wheel. Tyre, sorry.
And I'll keep showing.
Oh yeah, 'cause it will be a bit of.
We are in the park where we had the zip line and everything.
Oh, there's a firework. Show them the firework.
Is that a firework?
Yeah, guys, there's a firework on the ground.
I don't know if they can
I don't know
see.
if you can see that.
It's really hard to see if you can see because it's like it's sunny, it's bright, but it's like windy. Right, so this is the tyre.
Alright,
Yeah.
Adam's gonna be on as well.
Okay, so I'm going to be
And
pushing.
Rosie in the middle.
So they're getting on the tyre now.
You're gonna need to put your hand.
Just do this.
Ow, Toby.
I think they're all on. Right, I'm going to push. 3.
Come on, Rosie.
Wait, Zach, do you want to hold the camera? It'll probably be better.
Alright.
Wait, no, Rosie, come
Toby,
on.
stop
Give one hand to her, okay?
Right.
Toby, stop pulling.
Okay, can you sit down in
Okay, they're just trying to get comfortable. All right, Zach's gonna hold the camera.
Oh, I covered the lens again. Okay.
Gotta sit down, sit
Actually, Dan.
Sit down and hold on, Rosie.
Right.
That's gonna work. You just get Jack to push us.
Wait, who's holding that? Do you want me to hold it?
Yeah, you hold it, Zach.
Put it in the middle.
Okay, how's this gonna
No,
work?
get Jack to
hold the
push
lens.
it.
You have
How's
to
get
push
Jack.
it to work.
No, get Jack to push it, and
Toby,
then
you're gonna need-
I'll push.
Dan's pushing down there.
No, Jack's pushing.
This is what we're in right now.
Oh no, I can't push my chest.
We've got a little bit chest.
I can't push. I can't put pressure.
Dan can't push. Great.
So can
Jack,
you're
you're pushing. Jack, Jack.
Dan, it's probably best if Dan gets up here as well because the handcuffs is literally stretching and really hurts. Come
Whoa!
on, Dan, get up.
Ouch! Wait, can I hold it?
Yeah, Dan's gonna hold it down.
Right, we're getting pushed.
Wait, I'm not holding on. That's it. Okay, Dan, careful. Right, let's do it.
Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, do you want to show the camera?
We are on the tire.
Yes, guys. No, Dan, you're holding it wrong.
What happened there then? Ah!
Okay, careful.
We are on the tire. We're on the tire. Last time we once did that.
We are living a normal life, handcuffed.
I wish our dad was
Normal
here.
life handcuff. Whoa.
Whoa! We escaped from the police station. I'm joking.
I'm joking.
These aren't real handcuffs. If they are, we wouldn't be able to take them off.
You don't even need a key to open them.
I know.
There is a key, but
There is
we
a
found
key.
another way to open
There's
them.
another way to open them.
What if that way doesn't come off and it's stuck?
Because we don't know where the key is.
I've lost the key actually, to be fair.
Oh, Toby.
Oh!
I've lost the key of the handcuff. That's in my pocket. Wait, Jack, come on as well and ask Nia to push us. Ask Mum to push us. Mum, can you push yours? Oh yeah.
Adam and Jack's mum can push.
Pull my leg.
Right, everyone get on. This is a lot of weight.
Toby.
I reckon he's gonna fall.
Shall we do?
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I bashed my head on Toby. Me and Toby had a head bump.
Oh, jeez.
Hey! We've been recording for nearly 33 minutes.
We've got edit all these. It's going to take ages.
It's gonna take ages.
Hopefully it gets edited. I don't know if it's going to work. Hopefully, I'll just pray it's going to work. It might not.
I'm going to fall off.
Jack, can we switch
Once
places?
again, if you've watched all of this so far, thank you so much.
Yar.
It's easier because I've got Zach handcuffed, so it's easier. Very hard. We
are still on.
people on this.
I don't know if
So we have 5 kids
You have to
and
leave a
one
like,
baby
guys.
down there.
5 kids
Further
and one
down.
baby.
Yeah.
You have to leave a like, guys. Leave a
Down
like,
there.
subscribe. Means so much.
Right then. Should we get off now?
I'm starting to feel rain.
Yeah. We got to get back to the car.
Right, we need to stop it and get off.
We need to stop.
Stop, Adam! Stop pushing it.
Stop pushing Adam.
Oh God!
Right, put your hand down. Start to go down.
Now we've all got to get off together.
Ow, 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 ow.
Zach, stay with me. I can't. My chest. Zach, hold the
take the
camera.
camera.
Yeah,
Alright.
take the camera.
I've got the camera now, guys. Dan's getting off.
Yes.
Right.
I'm off.
We're off. There we are. Still handcuffed.
We're off the tire.
Oh, should we try and do this?
No, that's too hard.
I got a little bit dizzy.
So we're gonna walk back to the car, drive to Curry's PC World, pick up the
But we're not going to
tripod.
record all of that. We're going to
No.
record it when we get to the
So
car.
so basically, we're gonna record
Wait, do you want to try this?
a short clip. It doesn't move.
Yeah, it does. Look.
That bit does. Oh guys, look.
I don't get how we're
What
meant to
is
do
this?
What are we meant to do on this?
It meant to stand and
Ow! No, not handcuffed.
This
That's
is a
that.
one thing. Yeah, this is a one.
We can't do that.
One person.
Yeah.
No.
No, because that. No, Toby, you can't. Ow! Jeez, careful.
That hurt.
Yeah, let's go back. Will rain.
This is too tight.
Is it? Should I loosen it?
Wait,
a
hold the
bit?
camera, Toby.
Okay, they're loosening a bit.
Hi guys. It's me.
Yeah,
Ow.
that's Toby. Right, show it to me.
Take it. Don't undo it.
Jeez.
Toby, stop pulling.
Ow.
It really hurt.
Yeah, Zach's handcuffs went really tight, so he's trying to loosen them a bit.
Ow.
They went really tight.
Toby really doesn't help pulling. It really hurts. I've literally got red wrists.
Yeah.
So
it's
guys,
really
we're gonna
sore.
walk back to the car. We're gonna film that, and then when we get to the car, we're gonna do our outro, and then
Outro.
film a short clip in Curry's picking up the tripod.
So this is gonna be. We're gonna be doing 3 videos in this one day.
Wow,
Wow. No, that's rare.
it's quite rare. It's rare for us.
I don't think every other YouTuber did that as well.
Really?
Old baby.
I
You're
don't-
probably able to see us better in a minute because we're going like in the
Lane.
shady woods.
Woo!
Okay. There's Dan. There's Toby.
We're in the shade.
Handcuff.
Should be able to see us.
Handcuff. They're on.
How long have you had handcuffs on? Definitely.
Oh look, she's in the lake.
It's been way more than.
Oh guys, Toby wanted me to show you this.
It's been way more than an hour.
We've been handcuffed for a really long time because we filmed part 1 handcuffed for like 40 minutes, and now this is like, I don't know, nearly 40 minutes.
So we've been doing it for we've been handcuffed for a very long time. If you add those up together,
Yeah,
that is a long time.
it is quite a long time.
That's why Zach's wrists are so red.
It's so red. Oh my god, look how sore it is.
He's
Oh
got
my God.
marks. He's got like indents in his hand,
Ow,
in his wrists.
really tight out, really
Like
hurts.
small indents, and it's like.
I think my
all
wrists
red.
are quite big.
I feel so much better. I can't believe I brought a jacket.
If you're lucky.
Toby's not that bad because he's the one who's been pulling you.
I know.
Is it that way? Yeah, I think it's that way.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
it's down here because I remember.
From the
Oh my
right.
god, it's literally raining.
It's raining now.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Wait, I think there's. Sorry.
Cheers, dude.
God,
Some
runners.
runners went past us.
Sorry if there's water on the lens.
Oh yeah, that
Where
was
is
bad.
everyone?
Might want to clear the lens.
You gotta face it down
Well,
a
don't.
bit.
Yeah, just
Face it
clean
down
the
a bit.
lens. It's a bit.
Is that the lens? Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that's
the
the
lens.
Well,
lens.
guys, we see the underpass now. We're nearly there.
So basically, on the other side of the underpass is like a car park. We're parked there. Yeah. So it was quite a fun day at Crabtree. And
Quite,
yeah, it was quite a fun day.
Quite.
Apart from all the pain, because I didn't really enjoy that. What did Dan think of the day?
It may be painful for Zach, but not for me. I had a jacket.
He has a jacket. His handcuffs.
So lucky.
Basically, his handcuffs is over his sleeve. Like,
Yeah.
there's Toby. What did he think of the day?
Well, I'm actually really lucky because, literally, I've got small
Hey,
wrists.
me.
I've got
Yeah.
more to say. Like, my chest was hurting
Gonna be
quite
a
a
bit
lot
safe now.
in some of it. Like, especially on that big log, it really hurt my chest there. But I scraped my leg. That was a bit painful as well.
Okay,
What?
guys. We're going in an underpass right now. Sorry if my phone keeps going over the lens because I'm just trying to get the water off.
Right. God, that ceiling is mucky.
Oh, we're showing a mucky ceiling. Toby, shush.
Mucky ceiling.
Mucky ceiling underpass. We're in an underpass right now.
All right, do you want to end
Careful.
the video?
So, guys, we're going to end the video here as we are just about out the underpass. So, thanks for watching, guys. It is literally chucking it down. I am not lying. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Okay.
Subscribe to my other channel and follow his Instagram. Debelia out.